Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Adil, and I have done my Bachelor in Computer Science from Lahore Ghazni University, Pakistan. And I have 6 years of teaching experience for computer-related subjects in O levels and A levels in the GCSE and IGCSE, and the Pearson and Excel boards as well. So I am going to start my lesson through the my screen sharing. I have the notes related to the ICT, in which today's our topic name is common networking devices and the terms that we normally use in the network field. But before that, the start of this topic, the first topic and the important one is what is mean by network. In a computer field, network means the internet, or we can say that the network of different computer devices. Like suppose we have a device A, we have a device B, we have a device C, and device we call it D and E. So the process in which we connect all these devices together, like if I'm connecting the A with the B, C, D, and E. So this term is known as A is connected with the all other devices. Or we can say that the network of A is with the B, C, D, and E. This is how when we connect D with the all other devices, so this is known as a connection of, or we can say that the network of D. And this is how when we connect all the devices together, so you can see that a kind of net, a kind of network generated where all the devices are connected together is known as a network. So the internet and the network are two common, we can say that the terminologies that we use in our computer field to represent internet or we represent web. So as we have discussed the internet, so there are few uh, devices which helpful in a networking or to develop any kind of network. In which first one is the NIC and also called as a network interface card. So as the card represent the name, this is a special kind of a circuit or a card which is available on a every kind of hard drive. Hard drive means every device have a this NIC that is built in available in every device nowadays that help to connect our devices with the other devices. Like if we want to connect this A device with the E, so we can connect through the wire or wirelessly. So the connection that we want to generate between A and E, we required a device called NIC in both of the devices. So according to the definition, it allowed to connect multiple devices together in the network. Electrically, we know that these devices are connected through these kinds of circuits, so they allow communication through the electronic circuits because we know that computer only understand the binary data or binary form of data. But this was for the wire. If we have a wireless network, so we have a special kind of NIC which is called as wireless network interface card. So this was the first device that must be available in every device to connect there or to generate a network. Secondly, and very important, that is a MAC address, as all the devices on the internet have the unique identity, unique address, which help to connect their devices together and to transfer data is known as a MAC address, in which the most important one and recently and the most important topic that is a IP address, which is called as a Internet Protocol address, special address used over internet to connect two or more devices together. And we have a two type of IP addresses called it as a IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 called as a Internet Protocol version 4, while on the other hand, Internet Protocol 6 version 6 is called a IP address 6. Then we have some of the data packets which help us to connect two devices and help us to transfer data. Like you can see there, there's addresses over there through which data is transferred from a sender to receiver. So we have to generate a special data packets in which we have a serial number of that particular instruction or that particular data. In between, we have a content, or we call it a data. And at the end box, we have the address of the receiver as well. So such kind of small data packets through which a data is transferred from one place to another or from one device to another. So these were some of the devices that we would require whenever we are going to generate the internet. I hope you like it, my lesson. If there's any question, you may ask, and inshallah, we will meet.